Hello and welcome to 2612 Mica Mine Lane in Wake Forest. I'm happy to show you this luxury home here, kind of nestled in an older neighborhood with a lot of mature foliage, as you'll see. But today really want to take you through the home and show you kind of the features and benefits. That way you can view it from your house, and if you choose to come and look at it, we'd be happy to show it to you. So come on in with me and we'll check it out. So this is a home built in 2008. There's been one owner. It's a custom luxury design. As we go through, please notice all of the upgrades from the crown moldings to the hardwood floor, inlay cherry wood, and all of the features and benefits. So I guess the first thing is we'll show you as we walk into this beautiful home. You've got wood paneling throughout the outside wraparound decking. We've added a Charleston look. That's one of our favorite places to visit, Charleston, South Carolina. But the entire home is a smart home, so you can essentially control all the music that you'd like to play from your iPhone or your Android. And you'll notice as we go through these rooms, there's flush-mounted speaker systems. So please join me and we'll take a look. So as you come into the home, the first thing you'll notice is the cherry wood inlay that we have. And so essentially we wanted to give your visitors a great experience as soon as they walk into the home, from the hardwood floors to essentially walking into the large meeting area in the living room. So you can see all of these rooms have coffered ceilings, and you'll even notice the audio speakers flush mounted in the ceilings. So as we walk through, we've got entries to the basement. We've got 20-foot high ceilings and some pieces that we've gotten from Asheville. You'll see the wings up in the lofts, but completely customizable however you'd like it. Upon looking at the home, if you think that it needs something to go with those coffered ceilings or the inlays, just let us know. You'll see we have a gas propane fireplace. The entire house has gas, which is also converted from propane to natural gas if you'd like, for the range, the lantern out front, and also the fireplace. This is the kitchen here, designed with beautiful granite. You can see with the center console here, you have the food warmer that you could turn on, so if you're cooking and you want to keep food warm throughout the evening as you're preparing a large meal, you can. We have, this entire home is actually run on tankless water heaters, so 3 tankless water heaters to support the entire home. As you'll see, the large amount of water that you're going to consume, having 7 bathrooms, it's nice to have a consistent stream of hot water if you're taking in a 30-minute or an hour-long shower, or if you're in the sauna, as you'll see later on. Come with me, I'll take you through to the master suite is actually on the first floor. So here's our first bathroom there for guests. Now this laundry here, and I'll give you a little sneak peek of the master suite walk-in, but it has a nice pass-through. So if you're looking at putting your laundry straight through from your walk-in closet to the laundry, it's pretty effective. So come on into our master suite here. This is an extra large master, and you can see the large ceilings along with the chase lounge to overlook your backyard and the foliage outside. Now this is one of my favorite parts of the home. If you come into the master bathroom, you have a his and her vanity, but you'll notice it's very open. We wanted to build this home to emulate Roman times, so everything was very open and a lot of old stone and plywood. So this is actually one of our favorite parts of the home. As you can see from this open concept, we've designed the shower and the bathroom kind of like as a Roman feel, where there's no doors, but it still gives you a little bit of privacy from obviously the other entry in the living space. But if you come on into the shower with me, you can see immediately on your left you have all your controls to control the temperature and the flow of the in-shower bathtub. And also you have 6 jets, the his and her side, with 2 shower heads per side. So you can see here inside the shower we actually have a cedar door that opens up into a wet and dry sauna. So if you'd like, you can actually spread essential oils, whether it's eucalyptus or vanilla, over the wet or dry sauna, and it'll basically fill the room with aroma while giving you that sauna feel, which is nice. So come on with me down into the basement, which is great for entertaining. It's a fully finished basement. It's about 1,200 square feet. And if you'd like, you can actually make this into an efficiency or another apartment if you have relatives that need to live with you. So follow me, we'll take a look at floors 2 and 3 as well. I want to stop and show you something as far as security goes in the home, which you might not see in other luxury homes. Is number one, we talked about the security system, so you can see the wireless monitors on each one of the doors, but also we have the upgraded security door system. So essentially, when you lock your door, the door lock goes up into the door frame. So it's virtually impossible to kick in this door. So while there's a ton of doors and windows in this home, one thing we want to do is design the home so that you feel safe and secure. So not only do you have the security system, but you have the redundancy in the actual physical lock. And you'll come up to the first floor of the home. Now this is where you have 4 bedrooms. We've made one into our baby's room, a playroom, and then actually 2 guest rooms. take you up to the 3rd floor. This is actually where I had my office with kids and everything. If you work from home, you can imagine you want to play with them throughout the day and hang out with the family, so it's kind of nice to have the office on the 3rd floor here. We've got another propane fireplace along with a cable TV, your own bathroom up here, and this actually will come with the home, an additional game room. So we've got foosball, air hockey, and actually ping pong, which is nice. Thank you for viewing with us online. We really appreciate your time. We hope you take into consideration all the beautiful woodwork and trim, the cherry wood floors, the granite countertops, the list goes on and on, geothermal system, water softener system, all the privacy amenities you get. And we really would invite you to just come in and take a look firsthand to see your future home. Thanks and have a great day.